are going to see Unit 2, Kinematics. The name is Kinematics. All of you know the two energies. One is kinetic energy and the another one is potential energy. For kinetic, but we use this kinematics because it is coming from the Greek word kinema. Kinema means movement or motion. So kinematics. Now we see the introduction. Physics is coming under the experimental science. Physics is always a experimental science. It is divided into two parts. One is experiment and the another one is mathematics. Experiment and mathematics. These two are the two pillars of the physics. The radius of Earth is measured before 2300 years. Greek librarian name is Eratosthenes. After a long time, very in the beginning of the 20th century, the size of atom is measured. This is all the basic of motion, but the central aspect means concept. The central aspect in physics is motion means movement. The central aspect in physics is motion. The motion is divided into two parts, from microscopic level and macroscopic level. If the motion within the atom, it is microscopic level. If it is in beyond planetary system, it is coming under macroscopic level. So motion is divided into two parts. One is microscopic to macroscopic. The universe is explained by the various types of motion. Universe means all the planets coming under is name as universe. Universe is explained various types of motion. Motion is always explained in the language of mathematics. Motion is always explained by the language of mathematics. So now we see the another movement of object. Movement of object. First one is motion. Motion is measured magnitude and direction. Motion is measured magnitude and direction. So it is a vector quantity. Now we go concept of rest and motion. Suppose the person is sitting in a bus. The bus is moving. This person is observed from the next seat of the persons. He say the person is rest, but it is observed from the other outside of the bus. The person is in moving. So the rest and motion is only measured in the frame of reference. This means reference frame. அப்படினா என்னன்னா குறிப்பாயம். Frame of reference, the position of an object. Suppose the position of an object. This is a point object. This point is described in terms of three coordinates x, y, z. These three coordinates explain the position of the object. So the position of an object is explained by the coordinate system. Is known as frame of reference. We know Cartesian coordinate system x, y, z. These systems explain the position of the object. So the position of the object is explained by coordinate system. Cartesian coordinate systems are x, y, z. Now we see the right-handed coordinate system. Consider this. This is right-handed means moving towards right. What are the systematic arrangement? X and then y and then z. So we move from x to y. It is moved from the right towards right, means right-handed system. Towards right, it is not a clockwise. It is a anti-clockwise. Towards right, it is not a clockwise, it is anti-clockwise. How it is measured clockwise? This is a clockwise. So this is anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise always right-handed coordinate system. Now we see the right-handed and left-handed systems. This is the right-handed system. Z is up. It is the movement from. This is anti-clockwise direction. Right-handed is up. So now we see left-handed is up. Left-handed means clockwise. First one is x and the another is y, z. So if we move this side, if we move left side, this is left-handed system. This left-handed system is always clockwise. Right-handed system is anti-clockwise. This is the example figures for right-handed and left-handed, clockwise, anti-clockwise. So always we measure right-handed system in anti-clockwise, left-handed system in clockwise. This is y up. This is y up. First one is x, y, z. First we x to y and y to z. So this move from right hand side. So this is anti-clockwise. In this figure, in the next figure we see. In the next figure we see the x and then y z. So it is moved towards. It moves in x, y, z. It is clockwise. It is clockwise. Clockwise means left-handed. This figure, in this figure y is up, in this figure y is up, but these two figures z is up. So continuous class, we see next class.